Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. I have something really exciting for you today. This is a special Stylevana, or as they call VANA box. There are 3 of them all going live on their website today, August 25th. One is the Sika Care box, another one is the Aloe Soothing box, and then this one here is the Daily Vitamin C box. You can also save extra on their site with my code INF10KBH. That's INF10KBH. As of right now, the code works until the end of October and it can be used 1 time per customer. I'll put all the links and details in the description box. Full disclaimer, I got this as PR. This is not a sponsored video. I did already look through the products. I already took pictures of them and I also researched them to make sure I can talk about them. So let's see what's in here. Now all the boxes have curated items in them at a discount to make them a good value. So like I said, this one is the vitamin C box, and I am kind of new to vitamin C as a user because for years it just kind of, I don't want to say terrified me, but it worried me because a lot of the versions of vitamin C are not very stable. However, I've been really experimenting with vitamin C in the last year and I found ways to use it that work for me, and I'm actually really liking the results. So here's the first one. It's the Sun by Me V10 Multi-Vita Cleansing Bar. It's a bar soap made to be used on your face. It has 15,000 parts per million vitamin C, and then also 10 types of multivitamin. I kept mine in its little protective thing because the product info says that this is such a nice, gentle bar that it actually melts. So they say melts, I think dissolves is what they meant, quickly, and you can actually use it better by dividing it down the middle here and storing one piece that you're not using in a cool dark place until you're ready to use it. It can be used on the body as well, and you can even take a little piece of it and add it to your bath water for kind of an all over vitamin C treatment for your body. It has no artificial colors, and the brand also recommends putting it on your face and leaving it on for 10 seconds to let it work really well and then rinsing it off. I'm excited to try that. It's been a while since I've had a bar soap for my face. The last one I had was by Tune 28 and it was not bad. It was really gentle. So we'll see. I think sometimes soaps have kind of a bad rep for being used on the face, but they're not all created equal. Next thing is the Farmstay Derma Cube VitaClinic Serum. It has vitamin E, vitamin C, and vitamins B3 and B5. Obviously promises skin vitality and moisture barrier. I am in love with this packaging. Let me show you. Just look at this. This is so cute. It has like this extra layer of plastic, I don't know, and then the way that everything's printed. I'm such a sucker for packaging. And then look at the pump. I just love it. And the formula is this gel formula. It smells really good. It's not a strong scent. It's not sticky at all. I was taking pictures of it and doing little swatches, and I just can't stop sniffing my hand afterwards. So it just goes on so nicely. The way I use most of my vitamin C products is I'll do it in the morning before sunscreen, because vitamin C can actually boost the effectiveness of your sunscreen because of the antioxidants in it. So my morning skincare routine is very minimalist. I do a toner pad or a water rinse and then some kind of vitamin C product. Sometimes it's a serum, sometimes it's a cream. I let that settle in and then I go in with my sunscreen, and basically that's it. And I've noticed some improvement with my freckles and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation as well. Next, we have a Japanese product. This is the Roto Mentholatum Vitamin C Cream. I'm probably butchering the name, I'm sorry. This is a Japanese brand that is best known, I feel like, for their vitamin C essence. It's the best-selling vitamin C essence. This cream is kind of I feel like it's has a close resemblance to the essence in packaging. Actually, I personally, if you put them two side by side, the boxes, since I can't read Japanese, I probably couldn't tell the difference. But here it is. It has vitamin C, glycerin, and salicylic acid, and it promises to reduce redness and inflammation. I do actually have the essence as well in my stash. It has not yet been opened, so I don't know which one I should try first. If you tried either of them, let me know and tell me which ones you like. Now, I'm not going to, and I don't recommend that you try all of these products all at once. This is more like an ongoing supply of your vitamin C products. I definitely would introduce one by one and watch for any potential reactions. Here's a little sample size of the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's one of those iconic products I feel like everyone should try. It's kind of polarizing. Some people really love it, and then some people say it did nothing for them. I was somewhere in the middle. I've had a full size of this before, and I do find that it's nice and moisturizing. It takes forever to use up a full size, so I'm glad to have a travel size this time. And I actually liked using it as a lip gloss in the mornings because it has this very subtle sheer tint to it. Oh, it doesn't leave color behind, but while you're wearing it, it does make your lips look a little bit more rosy, and I like that. I also tried some other lip sleeping masks that I've liked better. There's nothing wrong with this one specifically. It's a completely new to me brand. Bellflower vitamin C cream for nutrition. Has vitamin C obviously, but also 4% niacinamide, which can also help with hyperpigmentation and the appearance of pore size. Let's see, here it is like this, and I've tried a tiny bit of it earlier, and initial impressions are good. The texture is nice. It's a gel cream, which will be a great thing for my morning routine. Even when it's warm, I have combination skin, so I either don't use a moisturizer at all or use like really light ones in the morning. And this also has a very gentle scent to it. And last but not least, here's the AHA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner by Cosrx. Now, normally you wouldn't necessarily be using AHA, BHA, and vitamin C all in one routine if they were separate products, because sometimes that can increase your risk for irritation. But when it's all formulated together, that is typically okay. I don't have a ton of experience with this yet. I will put a review up when I'm ready to talk about it. But just from seeing people in my group, Korean Beauty Fanatics, talk about it, this is gentle. People do like it. And it seems to be okay to use even in the morning. Of course, always wear sunscreen. No matter what you're using in the morning, always wear sunscreen. So here's our VANA box. And I'm excited to see what's in the other ones. I'm going to check out their website actually when I post this. I'm filming this a bit in advance, but I will put this out on August 25th when it's ready to be revealed to the world. If you tried any of these, let me know. If you have a strong preference for which ones I should review first, let me know. I will try to accommodate that to the best of my ability. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my private Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics. We'd love to have you there. It's just full of wonderful people, 56,500 as of today, growing every day, thankfully. So we'd love to have you join us if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.